All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning into another stream. Today, if you are new here on these streams, this is what we do in the morning. We outline some important key levels, see what NQ can do going into the session, possibly look over some crypto. Recently, it's been not the best, so we've been kind of staying away from it. You can see everything's kind of. Turn this down. You can see it's kind of doing this little wedging formation, triangle formation, whatever you want to call it. God, I want to fix this mic. Does this look good? Okay, but all right, going into today for NQ, take a look at what we have here. So we'll start off on the 4-hour, right, or the hourly time frame. So you can see we swept that previous day high already. Initially rejected it, now have double swept that top. There's a possibility of us forming out an M pattern right here, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, and then like that, right? This is a possibility if we cannot hold above that previous daily high. This is a very likely chance that it could happen, right? Displace this previous daily high, and we're going to see more upside. So something like this on the hourly, where we would displace it, retest it, continue to the upside. In terms of news today, we got Richmond Manufacturing, I believe, CPI coming out 30 minutes into, yeah, Richmond Manufacturing Index. So we have that coming out at 8 a.m. Eastern or 10 a.m. Eastern. Yeah, 30 minutes into the market open. So two possibilities, right? But we're all playing around this previous weekly high, or not previous weekly high, previous daily high level. Want to see what price does around that. If we cannot displace it, then there's a good chance we will retrace probably into the OTE of some sort of range right here. If that's the top, then there's a 4-hour. Let's see what we have on the 4-hour. 4-hour wouldn't be bad. You know, we have not retested the discount of this range yet, which the discount of this range would be realistically somewhere over here. So be in these 50s. But if we're just taking yesterday's range on this hourly, right, we're going from this to that. Then this next one is going to be around these areas. Possible sweep of these liquidities on the downside. 25, 891 would be decent. On the 15-minute, you can see we still have a fair value gap right there and an order block. So this could be nice projection block / breakaway gap, or price doesn't tap into it and we just continue higher. So this is something also to look for. Right now, that 15-minute body is holding to the downside, right? So we're not seeing a close above this body. I want to see a close above this body for us to continue to the upside, but also if we want to reverse to the downside, we need to at least break this fair value gap. Break it. This is the scenario for downside. It would need to break this, that, and then that's what that would look like, right? This is the downside scenario on the 15-minute. Upside scenario would be breaking back above that level and then continuing up higher, which is right here, right? Let's outline that. All right, no, previous day highs right there. Yeah, so we need that above. I am liking, I mean, we had Asian session consolidation, London session expansion, or also take out both sides of Asian session. So there is a possibility that we could do a sweep both sides so we can see an S&D day. But typically those happen on Wednesdays, which today's Tuesday. Likelihood of that happening, I wouldn't put it at like 50-50. I wouldn't say anything too high. But other than that, that's probably all I got. I mean, these morning streams are usually short and sweet, nothing crazy. There's let's see what we have on these coins. House is cranking, Kernel had a nice rise. HBCRO is getting after it. Pippin's kind of finding its bottom again. Maybe it'll give us another ripper. Tau breaking above that. Hippo also. It's fucking chilly out here. Griff pump. Nice previous day high sweep. We need above that to continue. Degen. That's about it. If you guys were tuning into the stream yesterday, that Bitcoin chart did not look the best. I mean, we swept the previous day low, and we're holding so far. That CISD on the 4 hour as well, but we would need to see some sort of continuation through the CISD above the previous day high in order for us to see a continuation to the upside. And then stonks, keep your eyes out on DE and keep your eyes out on target. Those are the two main watchers right now for me, at least. But other than that, that will do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. As always, make sure you go check out Hazed Beats on Twitter. That's at Hazed Beats on there. Get them to 3,000 followers. We're going to do a lifetime membership giveaway for the paper traders. Make sure to come check us out on Twitter. That's at the paper traders. Turn on those post notifications. Stay updated with anything that's going on inside the community. Come check out www.papertraders.io if you want to learn more about us and what we offer, any tools, anything like that. Come hang out, see what we're all about. Make sure to follow me and like these streams, retweet them, share them with your friends, as that helps us. That's the best form of support that you can show to us. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you later tonight. Peace out.